Kundana, shall I start the questions? Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Siddaramaiah.
Number of states and union territories in India?
States, 8 union territories.
Now we'll go to capital cities. Okay. Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar.
Assam,
Dispur.
Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Maharashtra,
Mumbai.
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai.
Chennai, Kerala,
Tirunelveli.
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow.
West Bengal,
Kolkata.
Rajasthan.
Jaipur.
Name one place which has two capitals.
Punjab and Haryana.
What is that place?
Chandigarh.
Karnataka capital?
Bangalore.
Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal.
Sikkim?
Gangtok.
Gujarat?
Gandhinagar.
Capital of India?
New Delhi.
What is island?
Island, a piece of land surrounded by water all the sides.
Okay, example?
Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Okay, peninsula?
A piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides.
Example?
India.
Okay. What are the neighboring countries of India?
China, Bhutan, Sri Lanka.
Okay. What is the population of India?
130 crores.
In which place India is standing in population? What is the position of India in population?
Second.
Okay. What are the 7 sisters of India?
Assam,
Places.
Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland.
Good. Small states in terms of area in India. Okay.
Goa.
Large state in terms of area.
Rajasthan.
Okay. Highest mountain peak in India.
Mount Everest.
World.
Mount Everest.
Okay. Kanyakumari is in which part of India?
South.
Okay. Bay of Bengal is situated in which side of India? Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. East.
Correct. Thar Desert is located in which state?
Rajasthan.
People in coastal area eat what food?
Fish. Fish and rice.
No, you should tell seafood.
Seafood.
Okay. Name 2 national festivals of India.
Eid, Christmas.
Not religious, national.
Okay.
Independence Day.
Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti.
Okay. Which festival is the festival of light?
Dasara.
Okay, Dasara and?
Diwali.
Okay. Which festival is colors of life? Colors.
Holi.
Okay. Now you tell me the religious festival.
Eid, Christmas, Diwali.
Okay. Harvest festival?
Pongal, Ugadi.
Okay. What is the occupation of India?
Occupation. Teacher.
No, not different types of occupation. Main occupation of India, what do they grow?
Farming.
In coastal area, what is the occupation?
Fishing.
Yes. Okay, name 3 people who help us in our daily life.
Flower man.
Okay.
Milkman. Homemade.
Why do we respect our elders or teachers?
Because they teach us well and they will teach us good things and bad things.
Kundana, why has India been divided into states and union territories?
India is a large country. For running better, they have separated small countries.